Hey everybody, Mike here from the NetTalker Tips. Today is another day for you to see another wonderful video. In this video, you will learn how to use Keep Notes, Notepad, Memo, and Checklist that you can download through the Play Store. So let's go ahead and open up our Play Store, and in here, search in Keep Notes. Okay, let's try that one. So here it is. And before we install this, let's take a look at the example images in here. So this will be the interface. Take notes anywhere you go. Light theme and dark theme. You have two choices for the theme. Many color schemes to choose from there, and you can lock all your notes with a password. Organize your notes in folders. Bold, italic, underline, strike through, and highlight options. Handwriting notes and drawings. So as you can see, you can make drawings or draw something on your notes. Voice notes, so if you're on a meeting or if you want to record your voice, you can do so, and so on. So let's go back and install it. So while waiting for it to complete, again, the main features available with this app is that you can use this offline. So it's an offline notepad that you can use to write on all the notes to remember without the need for internet connection. A checklist for things that need to be done, and lists. Notepad with password. As I have mentioned earlier, you can make all your notes password protected. Memo alarm reminders for your checklist notes. The notepad alarms of the reminders that can be repeated daily, monthly, or yearly. Write notes with finger. Handwritten note taking and drawings, which you have seen earlier. Take audio notes using the voice recording notepad. You can set private note locks for specific notes or checklists without having to lock the entire app, and so on. It's done. Let's go ahead and open it. So again, there's a lot of features available with this, so I'm just naming a few of them. So this is the interface. As you can see, it's amazing. It doesn't have an ads floating around. That's good. So let's add a note. So tap the plus icon here at the top, so you can add notes, checklist, handwriting, voice recording, or folder. You can create a folder. So let's first create a notes. So title, and just like before, let's put shopping items. And notes, I'm just going to do with the random characters. So random characters. Once you're done, you can tap the check mark to save it. Use these options here: bold, there, and then italic, there, underline, strike through, there, and so on, there. So you have the option to change font size, the font, and text color, highlight color, and so on. So if you want to revert to default, then just tap the default one. So let's just say that we're done with this. So by tapping this one, you can add a photo from your gallery. So this one is where you can discard the changes, share it, reminder, attachment, background color, move to folder, synchronize, lock, pin, delete, read mode, save as, print, search, and so on. So again, it's straightforward instruction. Background color, just select a background color and then tap it like that. Then you can put a password. So there's a notice: if you forgot the password, you will no longer be able to access the note. Okay, so let's to make it simple, easy to remember, let's just put in 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 there. So we're done. Let's save it by tapping the check mark, and there. So we have now added our shopping items, and as you can see, there's a lock icon here. This is an indicator that we put a password on this shopping items or notes. So let's open our notes, and you will be prompted to enter your password. So if you remember, it's 1 2 3 4 there. So we can now add more notes or details. So you can customize again and set as reminder. You can do so. Start, repetition, ringtone, and date. So let me just go back, cancel it. So these are the things that you can do with this app. So there's a lot of things that you can do actually. So once you have done editing, tap this check mark, and your notes has been saved. So let's add more by tapping that, and this time let's try the checklist. So checklist, starting from the title, movies, and this one let's add any words. So again, just a random characters, and once done you can tap the check mark, or you can go to the options to set as a reminder, or change the background, synchronize pin lock, and so on. So background, again, you can do so, change the background to blue. Password, password, let's put a password 123, and there you have it. It will automatically available on your home page or dashboard. So you can add more if you want to. This time let's try handwriting. So you have the option to use this there. This is where you can choose a color. Let's choose that there. And this one is an eraser. So stroke width, let's use the bigger stroke. So we have now a bigger eraser. Then make it bigger. Okay, there. So it's now bigger. Then you can change the color if you want to. So again, you have the option to put a lock or password, move to set as a reminder. You can do that as well. So we're done. Let's put the check mark, and there you have it. Handwriting created July 2nd. So voice recording, again, it's easy to use. All you need to do is enable the voice recording, and then say something, or if you're on a meeting, you want to record the meeting, then you can do so. And then folder is where you can create a new folder. So let's just say movie. So we have now a folder, and then I want to move this one here. Tap or hold it, and then select the folder, and then move it to your folder there. So as you can see, it's now gone. It's now inside the movies folder. So if you go in here, you have the option to back up your file or delete your file, synchronize it with your the free version is already good, because again, it doesn't have any ads floating around, so there's no need for you to buy the premium, I think. So just go with the free version. So again, it's a really straightforward application. You will not be able to get lost when using this app, since it's really simple and easy to use. And I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.